Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
Yes.
How did you think? Give it a 1 or a 10. Well,
Did you like it?
not ready yet.
Did you like it? Yeah, will you ride again? Yeah? Of course, awesome.
Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed.
Easy work with that snowdrift. As you glide to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right.
Off we're going.
Buckle up.
Here we go.
Hello guys, welcome to the video. You might have not seen it earlier, but we're going on. Dad. Guys, this will be a fun ride. Ready. That's how we're gonna do it.
Com as mãos pra cima, Gomes.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
Yes.
How did you think that ride went? Would you give it a 1 or a 10? Well,
Did you like it?
not ready yet.
Did you like it? Yeah, will you ride again? Yeah?
Of course.
Of course, awesome.
That's the end, guys. Hope you enjoyed.